Hello everyone, let me walk you through this week's lab on resistivity. If you look in the top left, we have our wire here. It has some certain properties associated with it. It has length L, it has resistivity rho, it has cross-sectional area A. And if I want to know the resistance of this resistor or wire, I can use our equation R equals rho L over A to do so. What's also helpful is Ohm's law, where V equals IR. Now V is the voltage change from one side to the other, so the voltage from this side to this side, equals I, which is the current through a wire, times R, which is the resistance of our wire. So you notice there's an R here for resistance and an R here for resistance. So in some of the questions, I'm going to have you combine these two together to answer them, okay? Let me walk you through the simulation. So when you click the link, it's going to take you to this page here. And if you notice, it starts off with given our equation, R equals rho L over A. And down here, we have our wire. Now, there's a bunch of black dots here, and I want you to think about these as impurities in our wire. So as the electrons kind of travel through, they're going to be bouncing and colliding off these. So I have these slide bars here for resistivity, length, and area. So if I increase the resistivity, I want you to look at that metal wire there. Notice how there's more black dots are being added. Okay, so that's going to be increasing the resistivity and resistance. I can also change the length. I can increase the length or decrease the length. Same with area, increase the area or decrease the area. Now on the bottom, you'll notice here the actual numerical values for the resistivity, length, and area. And in the very top, there's the calculated value for the overall resistance of our wire here. So for this week's lab, I want you to pull up this simulation in one tab and the lab questions in another tab. Starting with question 1, just work your way down. You're going to be using this simulation as well as Ohm's law, V equals IR, to answer the questions. All right, let's get started.